Good morning and welcome to our coverage of WFES 2025. Today I'm with Mr. Rana Farhan, Director of Middle East and PAC from Huasan. Welcome, Mr. Rana.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. We're going to discuss about Huasan's technology, its competitiveness in the market. And my first question for you is, as a heterojunction leader, technology leader in the market, what is this technology's market competitiveness today?
First, I would say thank you to WFES organizer for providing such a nice platform for the manufacturer to showcase our product here in this event. So in HJT, we are the pioneer of this technology with the capacity more than 20 gigawatt annual capacity. And HJT is the game changer in the industry. And specifically, if we talk about this region like Middle East, it perfectly suits this region just because of their competitive advantage. Like if we talk about the temperature coefficient, higher efficiency, low degradation rate. So this makes HJT is very competitive for this area. Even the large scale project can optimize their LCOE cost.
Definitely, very interesting. My second question is about the microcrystalline. What is, if you can talk to us a little bit more about what is microcrystalline and how does it increase the energy output?
Microcrystalline is perfectly coupled with the HJT and both make a perfect solution for the industry, and it increases the total efficiency of the module, which is now more than the 25%. Basically, it can help you to absorb better lighting. So when the module can absorb the better lighting, it gives you a better efficiency. There's no LID effect, and you can get the more energy gain from the same area and from the same power. So that's how this combination is working in this industry.
That is definitely a very efficient combination. Yes, I know also that you are the first company to introduce the concept of zero bus bars. So can you tell us more about zero bus bars? What is this technology and what's this new concept?
We feel very proud to lead the market with this new innovative, the trend. We are the first who introduced this zero bus bar technology in the industry. With zero bus bar technology, you will get significant advantages like there is a current pathway which is previously, in multi-bus bar, there's some losses, but in this zero bus bar, it gives you less losses. And aesthetically, it looks very attractive and fine. And obviously, as a manufacturer, we can save a lot of cost by using this method for the modules. So currently, we are shifted our total production to zero bus bar, and in future, we will continue this. I would just like to talk about our new upcoming product, which is called Proviskit Tandem Cell, which is still in our R&D, and this is the future target. So we will proceed to this technology, and hopefully you will see the Proviskit by 2027 probably. And this cell, you are saying, this is one of the largest solar panel at the moment with the tandem technology.
We are very looking forward to 2027 and seeing Huasan's new technology in Sinakasa.
Thank you so much.
Again, Mr. Rana, thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure, and I'll let you go back to your clients.
Thank you so
much.